Hello friends, welcome to Healthylivingfitter channel by Florence Straka. In today's video, we are going to make a healthy ginger pineapple juice. This is going to be very healthy. This is a drink that a family friend of mine made for the kids and they love it. And I am going to make this so you can make this for your family as well. So stay with me as I put everything together and we'll see how it comes out. So I am going to give a wash to my pineapple. We are going to use 1 pineapple, 1 lemon, and 1 cup of ginger. And I've already washed my pineapples and fruits when I bought them the first day, brought them home. I washed them in vinegar, salt, and baking soda solution. So if you want to know how to wash your fruits and vegetables, I do have a video on that will show you how to wash your fruits and vegetables. Now I am going to give a taste, give a clean to my ginger. Make sure I clean it nicely. Clean it good. So I have my pineapple well clean and I'm going to use 1 lemon and a ginger. So I'm going to cut these. Well, alright, so with this what I'm going to do is, okay, so as you can see, I'm just going to take a little bit of these because the pineapple, the outside didn't look that much, look good anymore. So I'm going to take the outer part of the pineapple and then I'm going to give it another cut, and that is going to what we're going to use it for the syrup for the, and you can see this is really ripe. So I'm going to take just a little bit of this. Alright, so now I'm going to give it a second cut, and this is what we are going to be using for the syrup. This is very sweet. It's ripe so nicely and it smells so good too. Well, for the syrup, so I'm going to start with my syrup and I am going to put my pill in here and I'm going to add 4 cups of water to make the syrup, and I'm going to add half cup of sugar. The pineapple is very ripe, so you can add sweetness as much as you want, but the more ripe the pineapple, the more sweeter it's going to be, so you don't want to add too much sugar to it. You can add any sweetener of your choice. We're gonna let this boil for at least 10 minutes and I'm just going to cover this, just halfway cover, and we'll come back to this. Alright, so I'm going to finish this, just going to cut this into pieces. Now I am going to knead my lemon. That way it will be easy to squeeze the juice out of the lemon. It makes it softer, and this is a nice big lemon juice. And then I'm going to cut my ginger. So with the ginger we are aiming about 3/4 of a cup or 1 cup, but this is good. So our syrup is boiling nicely. It's been 10 minutes and you can see how nicely it all boils down. Our syrup is ready. I'm gonna turn the heat off and we are going to strain this. So I am going to strain this to let it cool before we add it to our blend. And we are going to blend this as well. That is nice. Okay, and we're gonna just let this cool down as we're gonna blend the rest of this. So I'm going to use a purified water to blend this since I'm not going to cook any of these. Make sure it's healthy. We're using a healthy water for the blend. So I am going to dump this in here. The rest in here. So I'm gonna pour in here. Oh my goodness, look at this. This is lovely, lovely, lovely. The color looks so lovely, amazing. The rest in here, and I'm going to blend. This is the one that we just boiled, the syrup one. We're going to blend that as well because we don't want to make anything go to waste. Okay, and we are going to make sure we have all these strained nicely. And I do have my lemon too that we're going to be putting in so we don't forget. And I'm going to stir this to get all the juice out. The smell itself is so nice. Get all the juice out of it. And I'm going to cut the lemon. Then I'm just going to squeeze the lemon. You want to squeeze it in here so it will catch all the seeds and all the pulps that will come out. And then make sure everything goes in. I think we have everything out of here now. Now we're gonna see, oh my goodness, look at this. This comes out nicely. And then what I'm going to do is, we do have our syrup which is cooling down here, and you can see that here. I'm going to add that. We have already, actually I'm going to strain it again to make sure that we get everything out. Alright, so I am going to strain our syrup before we put it in again. Make sure that we get every little thing out. And it's good to do that because all the settle from the peel. Oh my word, look how colorful this drink is. This is our healthy ginger pineapple drink. So lovely. Oh my goodness. And this, what you can do is just let this cool down, and then you can pour this in a jar and put it in the fridge. There's not too much sugar in here. Like I said, you can add any sweetness you want. Just look at that. This is lovely drink. And this is our healthy pineapple ginger drink, or ginger juice you would say. This is lovely. I love the texture, the color. This is like a summer drink. This can be for any season drink as long as you have taste for it. You can make this you can pour this over an ice or on a hot summer and just drink that. So our pineapple healthy drink juice is, so our healthy pineapple ginger lemon drink is ready. It's cooled down. I am going to pour this. You can just pour this in a pan. We made a little mess. How colorful this, look at that. And you can serve that to your friends. And we can have some right here. Just look at the texture, the color. Look at that. This looks so amazing. I love this. I love it. This is what a friend of mine always made for her kids, and they love it. And I want to show you this recipe, and you can make this. It's so simple to make, and you can make this as an adult drink as well. Just add whatever you want in here, and voila, look at that. And our drink is ready. This is lovely. I love this. The color itself just killed me, and the ingredient that we put in, just a simple ingredient, and your healthy pineapple juice is ready. Your kids can drink this. I mean, there's no, just have to make sure you don't put too much sugar in this. We just use half cup of sugar, and that is enough. You can always add more to it, and you can drink this on ice as well. It's refreshing. Hello friends, so we have just finished making healthy pineapple lemon ginger juice. This is really refreshing. It smells good. You can smell the ginger from it, the pineapple itself, and then how we make the syrup and add everything. I cannot drink this because pineapple doesn't do well for my stomach, but this is a drink that a friend of mine made for her children all the time, and they love it. And I just wish I can drink it, but I can't, and my throat is just thirsty for this because of flavor that comes with it, and then the color itself, everything. And so I am going to give this to my husband to taste and tell me exactly how this tastes like, and I can tell you. Good. Alright, so friends, I just gave this to my husband to taste, and he said it tastes really well. I would love you to try this yourself and see how it comes. There is not much ingredients you need. You just need one ripe pineapple. You need 3/4 cup of ginger chopped. You need half a cup of sugar for the syrup. When you peel the peel syrup, you need that. And you just have to blend, and 1 lemon. You just have to blend all the ginger, the pineapple together, strain it, and then boil the syrup for 10 minutes. Strain that as well. Mix everything together, add your lemon juice, and voila, you have a healthy pineapple ginger juice or drink for your family, for yourself. You can keep this in the refrigerator to cool before you drink. You can drink this on ice. Sugar and everything, he said, is perfect. So I would love you to try this. If you like my pineapple drink, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and also like, share, comment. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below for me. I'll get back to you, and I can tell you this, I want to drink it. I'm dying to drink it, but as you know, if certain things does not agree with your stomach, we try to stay away with it, but I just can't let it go. So I want to make this drink for you, and I want you, when you make yours, to tell me how it came out. You can always add the sweetness. Any sweetening you want is your choice, and you can add anything to it, any sweetness. But when this pineapple is so ripe like this one, you can see how the color and everything is because it's so ripe, and so you don't want to add too much sweetness to it to make it too sweet. So this, I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay healthy, stay blessed. Bye bye.